So what I simply do is I have 7 verses for the week, one for each day, and I simply copy over each verse each day, and then once I've written them out, I confess them 3 times each verse to try and internalize them. You can only internalize something by constantly reading and speaking, confessing it out as well. So that's one way I'm trying to develop myself and my handwriting at the same time. So I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm working on my handwriting. I've had this pen for years, beautiful, isn't it? And I'm just confessing 3 times. Maybe I should make it 5 times to really get it in. Confessing these verses so I can internalize them. I'm telling you now, our only fuel in life is the word of God. Without that, we're already finished.